What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best standing punching bag. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Century Martial Arts Wavemaster XXL. Wavemaster XXL is a reliable best freestanding punching bag created by Century. The weight of the punching bag is around 270 pounds when it is filled with water or sand. It is not spring-loaded but features shock collar of sorts between the core and base. So you will get stationary boxing experience, and some people even get the satisfaction of hitting because of this feature. You can get assembly instructions on YouTube, and just to let you know that assembly is pretty easy. The bag does move a bit. But if you hit something constantly that doesn't move at all the energy will come straight back to your body. If you kick and the bag doesn't move, your hips will take the pressure, which is not that good. So a punching bag with little movement is good for reaching your goals. You better give it a try. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wavemaster Kid Kick. If you are looking for the best freestanding punching bag for a kid, the Wavemaster Kid Kick is the right choice you can make. It is an excellent option for introducing boxing, kickboxing, karate, and other martial arts to your kid. The product is excellent, based on build quality. Just for your information, it is made in the USA. And we all know the quality of USA-made products. This one is not an exception. The Wavemaster Kid Kick is made of premium quality materials and able to serve you many years without any problem. The punching bag can be filled with sand or water, and when it is filled, it weighs around approximately 170 pounds. You can adjust it in 4 different positions. The product is good enough for kids, but not ideal for adults. At number 3, we have the Century Bob Body Opponent Training Bag. The realistic torso-shaped punching bag from Century will make your martial art training way more fun than before. You will feel that you are fighting with a real opponent due to the design. The punching bag is excellent as it offers you to learn to strike different areas of an opponent. The construction quality of Century Bob is excellent with premium quality materials. Admittedly, it will serve you for many years. Furthermore, the training bag will let you adjust the height in 7 different positions from 60 inches to 78 inches tall. You can change the height quickly in less effort. The product is ideal for people of any height. You can use the bob with or without gloves. The bag is ideal for punching and strikes. It is made for home use, still strong enough to withstand heavy use. If you need high-intensity training, the Century Bob Body Opponent Training Bag should be the choice you need to make. At number 2, we have the Versys Century V Spar .1 Spar Simulator. The Versys Century V Spar .1 Spar Simulator for youth is another beautiful attraction in the market today. It is the epitome of quality freestanding punching bags. The bug is ideal for increasing strength, speed, and fighting techniques. Unlike all the other products on the list, this one has integrated handles on the top. This little handle will let you work on your knee and elbow strikes and many other techniques that need controlling your opponent's movement. The bag is designed to move. While in real life, your opponent will not stand tall to get hit from you. That's the reason the manufacturer has made the Versys Century V Spar in this way. It will move so that you can learn better. Overall, the product is excellent in every possible way. The price is not prohibitive. I am sure you will love to punch in the bag. You can give it a try before the stock expires. And finally, at number 1, we have the Century Arashi 770 Hybrid Bag. The Century Arashi 770 is the last remarkable stuff on the list. The product is the latest addition in the market, and it is gaining popularity due to its incredible build quality and fantastic performance at a reasonable price. The Century Arashi 770 Hybrid Bag will let you punch and kick in full force. The product's build quality is excellent. You can practice any martial arts with the punching bag. Besides, the bag has a handle on the top that will let you hold the bag for practicing various knee shots and elbow tasks. The base of the Century Arashi can be filled with water only. Unfortunately, you cannot use sand in it, but with water, it works way better than you can even imagine. The product doesn't move that much. Overall, it is good for the price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.